Shall we begin? Let's begin now.
Shakina panic. Shaki said, "What the hell happened to my enclosure?" Because Umbu is inside the enclosure. Hi Umbu. Umbu just eat the bread. So I bring Umbu inside the enclosure. So Shaki totally panic. Shakina just eating rambutan. If I let Shakina out from the cage, sure she will make everything havoc. Adi also panic. But for sure, I cannot put Umbu inside the enclosure for so long because she will make the floor dirty. So I'm going to need to take out Umbu from enclosure. Shaki really don't know what happened. Shaki, hi kakak. Hi kakak, Aishaya. Why? You cannot accept Umbu, right? Umbu, you need to go out, you know. Shaki don't like. She said, "You are so dirty. You smell like a cow." Smell cow. Boo! Oh, boo! Why you go inside the enclosure? Shakina? Ina? Are you going to disturb Umbu or what? Umbu! Hi. Hi, handsome. Later I need to wash your enclosure. Oh. Hey, where you want to go? Umbu! Oh. Relax. I just let Shakina out. Oh. She tried to touch the Umbu. Kakak, you okay? You scared? Are you scared? I thought you brave, Shakina. You also scared, Umbu? Umbu, you so dirty. Into picking the lime and the lemon. I think the lemon is already yellow. One already fall. Yeah, we got one lime. I got many lime. Lemon, yeah, I got lemon. So many. Oh my god, the durian fall to my lemon trees. Lemon trees. Okay, I think this one we can pick. Almost yellow. Yeah. Shakina free on the trees. I also got lime. We got lime here. Yeah. Okay, we pick the lime. If we didn't pick the lime will fall. We got lime. Oh my goodness. Ina, what are you doing? Huh? Free with the list because you don't try to open the list, okay? I let you free, I let you free. So easy if I want to catch her. Come on. Come down. Come on, down. Down. Go. Where you want to go? Eh? Piru! Piru! Come, let's go. Come. Nah. Hey, come. Mai, come. Piru! Don't disturb the dog. We got rambutan, but the rambutan still green, not yellow yet. This is a yellow rambutan. This one almost yellow. See? Oi, what are you doing inside the dog, the Bushibu cage? Durian not so much. This time we only have a few durian. There you are. I need to wash Shakina because if not, she's going to pull the lemon and the lime. Ina, come. Huh? Come on, go in the tree. Yeah. Ina. Mai. Where you want to go? Come. Hey. Hello. Hello. When she have a chance to be free, she want to be free. No, that is the reason, you know. Why must you all destroy my... See, she destroyed my flowers. Mesti got lime on the trees. If I didn't pick the lime will fall. And the lemon, we also got lemon. And we got kantan. You know kantan? If you want they cook sweet and sour, they will put kantan. Sour, not sweet and sour. Sour. Yes. Beautiful kantan. Okay. What are you doing? Huh? Adik, oh lolo, adik nak turun. Adik, where you want to go? Huh? You want to walk? Allah, Allah. Jom. Come, here. The fatty, adik. They have a wild pigtail macaque. See, they try to come and take my rambutan. We let them see adik. Okay, up. Yeah. Adik on langsat trees. See, they got wild pigtail macaque, long-tail macaque, not pigtail, yeah. They are watching adik right now. Come, adik, here. Let them see you. Up, yeah, gedak. They will see you, adik. They will see you, adik. The wild macaque see adik now. They are on the trees because they try to come and take all this rambutan. The wild one. Hey, up here, here. Up, yeah, up here. Why you all don't want to climb the trees? You all lazy to climb the trees, right? Adik on kedondong trees, just starting to come out with the fruits. But this one's still small. But this one waiting for the fruits. Come, let's go. Come on. Come there.